Hey friends! Okay, let's go to the farm today and learn about animal sounds at the farm. All right, our first animal is a cow. Can you say cow? Cow. Good job. Can you point to the cow? Cow. A cow says moo. Can you do that? Moo. Good job. Okay, our next animal is a horse. Can you point to the horse? Horse. Let's say it. Horse. Horse. Good job. Let's see. And a horse says neigh. Can you do that? Neigh. That's the sound a horse makes. Good job. Okay, so we've done the cow, the horse. Let's do the chicken. Oh, can you point to the chicken? Chicken. Let's say chicken. Chicken. Good job. A chicken says buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Can you go buck, buck? Buck, buck, buck. Good job. That's what a chicken says. It's silly. God made all of the sounds, and some of the sounds are very silly. So that is a chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Okay, our next animal is a pig. Can you point to the pig? Pig. Okay, let's say it. Pig. Pig. Good job. Oh, pigs say a silly sound. They go. It sounds so silly. Sometimes you can use your nose. It's so silly. That's what a pig says. Okay, let's do a sheep. Can you point to the sheep? Good job. I think you know how to say this. A sheep. Sheep. A sheep says, bah. Can you do that? Bah. One more time. Ready? Bah. Good job. Okay, let's do the dog. I like dogs. Okay, can you point to the dog? Dog. Okay, let's say it. Dog. Dog. Good job. What does a dog say? Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Good job. That's what a dog says. Okay, let's do our next animal. We have a dog. Let's do a cat. Can you point to the cat? Cat. Okay, let's say it. Cat. Cat. Good job. What does a cat say? Meow. 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 Good job. Okay, our last animal is a silly animal. It's the duck. Duck. Okay, let's point to the duck. Good job. Duck. Good job. One more time. Duck. Good. A duck says quack, quack, quack. It's silly. Can you make that sound? Quack, 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 quack. Good job. God made all the animals. They are special and fun and beautiful, and God loves all the things that He made. Good job learning all of our animal sounds at the farm today. I'll see you later. Bye, friends.